Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. You need to begin by going into Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in voice recorder and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now to start recording, click on Accept and hit this red button at the bottom. Then click on While using the app. And as you can see, after that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, type in wherever you wish to or not at all, and hit OK. In order to delete your recording right away, you need to pause it and click on this left button with an X. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it though, select this check mark on the right. Then hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To rename it, you need to click on those three dots, select Rename option and type in wherever you wish to. Then select OK in Rename pop-up. In order to get rid of it, you can click on the same three dots and click on Delete option at the bottom, or just hold your recording and click on this bin at the top right corner. Either way, confirm your choice in Delete pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!